Yeah. It's all like a big national random mission.
Yeah. I mean, it was a couple days.
And there's guys that are running companies together. There's some companies around. Yeah. Taking you direct to this location. Right. On the talk, like about the segmentation. Yeah. Civil and mechanical engineering, #1 nation. Drums over there to practice. Set up.
Huh?
I thought it would be one big line. Mohawk 5, this is Comanche Thunder. Fire target number Alpha Bravo 0010. Over. Lift your eye off. Look.
هيجي بعد كده ياخد وثبه بعد التقييم عشان في هاربين. اسمه ايه؟ تعالى بواحد تمام التفريغ.
تعالى بواحد تمام فندم التفريغ وجميع الاسلحه والمدافع على العالم.
They made the check clear everything and now they stopped on the line. Waiting for further.
هو يتاكد بس